I'm your review guy, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Hisense U8. And if at any point during the video you want to go check out this exact same TV, I put Amazon links down below for the US, UK, and Canada, but let's get into this unboxing. So the Hisense ULED TV, that's what this is. It's practically just a QLED TV. That's just Hisense's branding. It also has Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, as well as it being with a peak brightness of 1500 nits. So this box is like a lift up kind of bottom. So what you're gonna do is open the top up. So it actually has the instructions clearly printed on the top of it. So basically you open this up, you take the top piece of styrofoam out, and then these little tabs down here, you're gonna pull out and you can actually lift the box all the way up so it's easier to take the TV out. So there is tape over these, but there are actually the stand legs right there. We're gonna look at those in a second. I'm gonna leave that piece over there for a second, and there's the TV. So we're gonna push these tabs inward. So you pinch in and pull right out. So now we're going to carefully lift the box up. It's actually really smoothly coming up. And that was probably one of the easiest experiences that I've had getting the TV out of the actual box. So the packaging right off the bat is super protective. You got the front cardboard piece protecting the screen, as well as an extra padding in the back, which you actually don't see a lot on TVs, surprisingly. Also in the box, good thing I just checked, you have the user's manual, the TV remote, as well as the adapter for the AV in. Those look like the screws for the stands that are connected to the styrofoam, and the power cable and batteries for the remote. So we're about to get the first look at the Hisense U8. Very important to take your time when unpacking a TV. All right, so we got this thing unwrapped, and the bezels are super slim and sleek. Looks like brushed aluminum right at the top of this. So now that we got this unwrapped, let's get the legs on this thing, gonna stand up and give you guys my first impressions. All right, so we got the legs on the TV, and it powered up automatically as soon as you plugged it in. I just have to say that the design of this TV is absolutely beautiful, and right now the blacks and the colors are simply vibrant. So the stands of this TV are completely metal. It also does have little rubber feet underneath it so it doesn't scratch your TV stand. Something cool about the design of this TV as the screen's actually raised from the case itself. I haven't seen that in any other TVs, so for one word that I would have to describe this TV, it would definitely be futuristic. Got a lot of angles going on. Got angles down at the frame right there. You can actually even turn the microphone off if you don't want the voice control listening to you if you accidentally press it. On top of that, this is a native 120 Hz refresh rate panel, so you do have an inputs with HDMI 2.1 in the back. On top of that, there is a little bit of cable management behind the TV to help you get the cables all situated. And in terms of the stand stability, it does a pretty good job of keeping this TV stable for a 55-inch. But without any further ado, let's get this set up and give you a full first impression of the U8. So as you guys can see, they were not lying about their assurance of 1500 nits. This TV is bright. Even with the studio lights going on in the background, this TV has no problem with bright lights and reflections. It battles reflections very well. The colors of this TV are so vibrant. The picture is so vivid. Honestly, of all the TVs reviewed, 6 series, this is the most vibrant, clear picture that I've had on a TV. Hisense really knocked it out of the park for this TV. I think it's just under $1,000, $900 right now. Just from the initial impressions, this is a pretty dang good TV. But that was my unboxing of the Hisense U8. Again, if you do want to go check out this TV for yourself, I put Amazon links down below for the US, UK, and Canada. I will also be doing a full comprehensive gaming review and full review of the Hisense U8. So stay tuned on my channel. I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, it'd be awesome if you could hit that like button or that subscribe button. But I was your review guide, and I'll see you in the next video.